Hey, hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining us. We definitely appreciate you joining us. This is post construction cleaning. This is all about giving cleaners a few tips on post construction cleaning. If you're new, well, let me help you out a little bit with a little experience that we have over here at Eco Cleaning Pro. All right, so what you're looking at is cleaning tiles. These tiles are in the bathroom, so we're using the drill brush and we're also using a scraper. Sometimes all contractors are not the same, right? All contractors are not the same. Some contractors leave a place messy. Some contractors do not leave a place messy. So in this occasion, the contractor definitely left the place messy. And there was a few things that we need to do. So we cleaned the bathroom tiles as you saw us doing. And also, so this is how, presentation wise, if you want to present to, the client, show the client a very nice well, and they always come back, make their customers happy, then you want to give them services like this, right? This is a picture, right? You don't want to give them services that do not look clean, right? You don't want to give them services where they're going to have something to complain about. So when it comes to post-construction cleaning, you always have to make sure that your services are top span. All right. So now we're going to deal with some windows, right? Okay, so window cleaning. Always make sure you clean the corners. Make sure the corners are taken care of. Make sure that you take care of the whole point, right? Is when it comes to cleaning windows and stuff like that, every inch of everything in there has to be cleaned, right? Because what happens is you clean some, you don't clean some, and then the customer comes back, open the door, closes the door, open the shutter, close the shutter. Whatever dust was not clean is going to come out. And when it comes out, the customer is going to call you and tell you did a shitty job because you did not take care of all the dust. All right. So when it comes to cleaning, doors, windows, anything like that, vacuum, make sure everything is thoroughly clean. All right. So another thing that you always look for is paint on glass. When you are factoring in your pay, trying to price post construction cleaning, always when you do your walkthrough, if there is paint on surfaces, you need to make sure that you put extra time on that because it always takes time to get those things done. So let's say if it takes you 4 hours to get a job done and you have a floor covered with paint, you might want to add 2 hours to it or maybe more depending on how bad it is, right? It all depends on the conditions that you have. There is no one size fits all when it comes to cleaning services, all right? Or should I say cleaning company. So here we are, we're cleaning this window. We're cleaning this glass door. And what we are doing is we seen that you might think it's clean, but there's paint on it. So what we're doing is we are making sure that all the little paints that are on the surfaces are not there anymore. So that's what the lady is doing, and she's gonna wipe it down and then take a look again, make sure everything looks great. If it's not gone, then she's gonna try to do it again. But yes, that's what we do. We are very meticulous. As you can see, she's wiping it down so many times. She's not wasting time. She's just making sure that it is done correctly. We are not rushing. We are moving fast, but we are getting it done efficiently, which is our goal. So yes, so she's gonna come back and clean a little bit of the window. As you can see, the window looks very bright, very bright. But see, it's little corners right there. Those are little things that customers complain about. So always make sure that you get a little things. The big things, they are good, they are nice. Everybody does it. It doesn't really make you stand out. But what makes you stand out is making sure that you take care of all the little things that the contractor or the construction company left behind for you. All right. And if they did a bad job and it doesn't come out, always make sure you let your customer know that. All right. So here we are, still dealing with windows. So as you can see, this right here just needs this. This is a little bit cleaner. All right. So it's just showing you how we should look. Just a couple of places need to get touched. All right. So we also doing inspection. It's all part of our inspection when we're cleaning. It's making sure that, so we looking on top, making sure that everything is cleaned, right? So that's all. When we are filming, we are um, also doing an inspection of the surfaces of the job that is done. This needs a little more work. Certain places that we came back and we fixed. It's just as this also. So this is cleaned out. As you can see, all right. So it's all cleaned out. And this, just a few things that we need to check. As you can see, that. So just all during all the inspection, we find things that needs to be get done, right? This little tape that wasn't taken care of. So now we are in the backyard. For this project, we had the opportunity of also cleaning the backyard. So what we did was we used our Explorer cleaning products to clean the cement. First we swept, and then we washed, and then we scrubbed. So that's the process. And get you an Explorer. If you never got an Explorer, it's good for you. But yes, there's the results. It's what happens when we use our Explorer cleaner. Surfaces looks much whiter, and the dirt is gone. So this is part of how it looked before we started cleaning the backyard. If you guys like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share it. Make sure you subscribe so you can hear. We try to put something out at least 2 or 3, videos out a week, so you guys could have something to go on. Whether you're enjoying the video or you're watching it for education purposes, we definitely appreciate it. So you can see what Explorer could do for your backyard. If you have a dirty backyard, try and get you an Explorer. It's on our website. Just go on our website, go on the product parts, and you can find it. So this is the kitchen in this apartment unit. This was it's about, in all, it was maybe about 6 or 8 apartments that we had to clean. And this is one of it. Same contractor, so it's the same look. Same thing that we did. Clean all the cabinets, vacuum it, wipe it down, clean all the appliances, make sure everything was nicely done, and get ready for a new tenant to move in. So hope you guys are enjoying it. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and share our videos. If you live in New York City and you know somebody that can use a good cleaning service, a reliable, dependable cleaning services, please, we hope you recommend us and tell your friends about us. So this kitchen is cleaned. Surfaces, checking the cabinets, make sure the cabinets is clean. Always make sure that you check everything. So here we are. Baseboards are clean. So this is another one of the units. It's in the apartment. This is the bathroom. It's cleaned out. It's doing an inspection. It's another room. Windows are cleaned on both sides. Doors is clean. All doors, glass doors and wooden doors are cleaned. And that's another bathroom. Everything here is also cleaned. Clean and sanitized. The drawers, sinks, toilets, everything is cleaned out. Here is another bathroom. Glass cleaned out. Surfaces cleaned. This was steam cleaned. This bathroom was steam cleaned. Actually, all bathrooms during post-construction cleaning are steam cleaned, just for the record. The floors are also mopped. Here are some pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope you learned something from all the information that we shared. And as you can see, the ladies cleaning. I think we're gonna start and show you the basement. So the basement was also a really mess on this project. This is glue on the floor. We had to scrape the glue off the floor. We took some tiles. They had glue on the floor. They had grout on the floor. It's just a mess. But yeah, we took care of all that. We had to go back a few times on this job because of the way things were left. Not by us, but by the contractor. They had to come back and fix some things, and we had to go back and clean it after them again. So, yeah, so scraping the floors, always make sure you have the right tools. Okay, get you a glass scraper. Glass scraper is one great scraper for the floors. Also, you can get a regular scraper for the floor, but we prefer using the glass scraper because it works well for us. But yes, so we're gonna scrub the floor, and then we're gonna vacuum everything, make sure all the dust is off, and then we mop the floors. So yeah, that's the process. And as you can see, scraping all the glue off the floor. And once again, we are based in Brooklyn, New York. We serve New York City. If you're a contractor, developer, a real estate agent, a realtor, a real estate company, you're looking for a cleaning company that you can depend on, well, here we are. All right, these are the services we provide.